Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the outstanding platform for the messaging service related, like a secure, simple messaging for smarter team, and that platform name is a Brosix. How to use it, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So simply first of all, open the Google, type here Brosix. The first link is display here. Look at this here. Brosix is secure instant messaging app for a business. If you are business or freelancer, you are working, so this platform is outstanding. You just simply click here, and after that, this is the tagline, like a secure simple messaging for smarter teams. This one is really nice. Here all the information is available, but we are not spending too much time. We just get started. The free trial version is available, like a 14 days free trial version. So we can click here. I just simply use free trial. I just put it here, my name as a Research Rocks, and start the team. Tell us more about you. So like you need to put it here, your mobile number, because of here the mobile logo is showing. Tell me your name. My name is Research Rocks. Continue. Password, you need to add your password here. Continue. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process, and almost is done. You need to open your email address. They are sending activation code. Yes, we just put it here, the activation code. Creating instant messaging network, and look at this here. Congratulations, your private instant messaging network is ready, fully operational. There are few more steps to customize. Set up your team. Up to thousands people or 1,000 account you can connect this particular platform, and all the features, the premium, including like ultimate chat room, file transfer, screenshot, screen sharing, whiteboard, and bunch of other features they are introducing. Set up your team, and this is your setup team. Quick intro session is available. They are introducing here quick intro session. If you have no idea how to use it, you should watch this entire video, and after that you can very easily understand how to add the other team members, how to collaborate with them. And this one, invite the teammates. So you should just put it here, the name of your teammate. I just put it here, and then after that you just added the email address as well of your teammate, and then invite them very easily. Make sure you need to provide first name and last name, and then the invitation is going on this particular your teammate. So I just use as a demo point of view myself, and let's see I am receiving the invitation or not. So here is my email address. Yes, I am receiving the invitation. After that, he or she can join the team and very easily connect in your Brosix. So application is also available for the smarter phones as well. You can download the application also for the all operating system plus Android and iOS. Features they are introducing in this one. Here, the managing the teams, you should manage the teams entire one. So look at this here, setting is also available, country, control, download. For the downloading point of view, look at this here, the Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and web clients also available. But I can prefer here most of time web client is okay, no need to download this one. You can access of any operating system, any platform. Just put it your name and then use the services of Brosix. As a pricing point of view, if you want purchase, like a setup is absolutely free per person. Like you can small team up to 3 users, you can connect very easily and access everything. Is as a business point of view, $4 per month, it's very affordable, not so expensive. $4 is affordable. Premium subscription also available, like a $6 monthly. After that you can get all the everything set up plan, unlimited user account, video and audio chat room, P2P file transfer also available. So which one you suitable, accordingly you decide. Rest of information is available here. Brosix versus Slack, Flag, and Teams, you can consider similar kind of same platform of Brosix. Experience about your each and every activities. You can download the application like in desktop, and after that the chat section is going on here. So this is the simple and outstanding platform for the smarter team and smaller team or bigger team. You should register here and use this application features. If you have any question regarding this application, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.